Hello guys, this is the second part of our tutorial about SQL and C++, and today we're going to be talking about database connectivity and basic SQL queries. How will your code connect to a database? Let's look at the process from afar. Even if your PC is not connected to a particular network, it will still generate a one that's local to it, like the database that we're going to use right now, which is most probably not connected to internet. And a network has two main properties, servers and clients. The client connects to servers and makes requests to them, while the server responds to those requests. The connectivity between those two is done through URLs. The client will make a request to a URL that the server is hosted on, and the server will respond with information based on the received request. In our case, our client will be the application we're going to build, and the server is going to be the database server that we're going to host on our PC. Most client applications are connected to database servers through connection strings. The connection strings are types of URLs that signal the server, the database, sometimes the users, passwords, and other things. Let's hop in Visual Studio and see what we can do with the information we just learned. I'm going to use MS SQL, but you can use any SQL server that you want. Now, the first thing that we're going to be doing is a connection string variable. This is done by using the NanoDBC connection in the NanoDBC namespace. And in the connection constructor, we are going to use a special macros that NanoDBC takes. Now I'm going to paste in my connection string, and you can keep in mind that I am escaping the server name because otherwise it breaks. And as you can see, the main parts of the connection string are the driver, the server, the database, and because I'm using MS SQL trusted connection, but you may have other connection strings. That's just normal for every SQL server to have different connection strings. Also, you can see that I'm using trusted connection. This just means that I don't have to use any credentials, and it will just automatically log in me with the Windows authentication. So if you want to check if you're connected or not, you can just execute the program. If there isn't any error, then we're connected to the database. If you want to be sure though, there is a function called connected. We can just execute it to see if you're connected, and yeah, 1, which means true, which means we're connected. Now that you're connected, let's execute something. The easiest way to execute something is by using the NanoDBC execute. It takes two parameters. The first one is a connection, and we're going to pass in the connection that we just used. The second parameter is the thing you want to execute, and it's wrapped up again in the NanoDBC text macro, and a semicolon. After that, you pass in the text that you want to execute. Let's just create a database, just call it things, and let's execute it. We have no errors, so it executed successfully. So guys, I hope you learned something from this video. Next time we're going to be doing some more complex queries and using some more complex CPP things. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.